My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the malicious pop-up windows that are coming from the site News-yosuja.cc. This site, News-yosuja.cc, is currently attacking Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them subscribe to the multiple advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. Don't click on Allow. If you have done that by mistake, the browser will be hijacked and infected with multiple advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So if you have clicked on Allow, you should fix your browser by accessing the menu, then Settings, then choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions and select Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. Once you find this News-yosuja.cc, remove it from the list. And don't hesitate to remove other junk sites from this list. And this will be the manual solution to get your browser fixed. I also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and then begin researching your system with its help to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.